Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, I will show you different way to style your peplum. This is a detachable peplum. So guys, if you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. If you have not watched the video, this is the previous video we did on how to make a 720 degrees peplum with crinoline. So guys, I'll show you different method you can rock this beautiful peplum.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of
Method is the new flare method. Bring it down. So this new flame. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and drop your comments at the comment section. Bye until I see you in my next video.